Okay, greetings once again and welcome once again to another session of our training session, current training session on the business affiliates. In this today's lesson, we are going to talk about how to create your WhatsApp link. You see, we are going to talk today about how to build your WhatsApp contact. And one means of that is to have a link whereby you will be sharing with others, and then as times goes on, they will be able to connect with you through that link, and then you will have the kind of conversation or discussions that you want to have with them. So let's start from the very first end. That is, we are going to use our browser. So you open your browser, and then in the address bar, you type create.wap.link, as you have seen in the address bar, and then you click on enter. Continue to site. At times when I'm using this recorder, it has a very bad fit, so it interferes with my Wi-Fi connection. Good. So once you do that, you enter create.wa.link. It takes you to this session, okay? So this is a site whereby you'll be able to create a unified link which you can share with other customers via WhatsApp or any other platform that you want. So the moment anybody clicks on that link, it automatically takes the person into your DM, WhatsApp DM. Okay, so why create WhatsApp link with WA-Link? To open a WhatsApp chat, you usually need to know the user phone number, save it on your device, and search for it to start the conversation. A WhatsApp link simplifies those steps in one single click. That opens the chat without saving phone number. That is what is called click to chat. So to start, you just click on create free WA link. Okay, then it takes you to the bottom here. So in here, the country code is already there. So if you are in Ghana, you already know that Ghana's country code is +233. In Nigeria is 234 and thereabouts. In New York is 4042 in that section. So right here, I'm going to enter my phone number. Okay, so the country code is already there. It's always in international version. So +233 is there. So I'll just continue 540777154. Now, the next session is to add a custom message. This message is the message that users will send to you the moment they click on it. Okay, so hello. I would love to connect with you. Awaiting your response. Thank you. Okay, so the moment somebody clicks on the link, it will automatically send you this message so that you know that the person is contacting you. Okay, so once you are done writing whatever that you have, then you click on generate my WA-Link, WA.link. Then we move to the next session. So it takes you to this session. So as you can see, this is my link. For the phone number that I entered, this is my unified link. This same link, I can decide to buy it as a premium. Okay, but with that, I will have to pay $6 per year. I don't need that. So I'll just come here and then I'll just copy the link at the bottom down here. I'm done for whatever that I came here to do. So let's see. Even let's see something. Generate my link. Let me show you something. So this is the link, right? The moment you click on it, it opens the WhatsApp what chat, and then it will automatically send a message. As you can see, as I click on it, it takes me to this session, and then you see the message here. Hello, I would love to connect with you. Awaiting your response. Thank you. So the moment you click on the link, it will automatically send a message. Now we've already copied the link. Okay, so I can just let me go somewhere and then paste the link. Let me paste the link here. And then let me add something. You could see that this is the profile picture on my WhatsApp account. So the moment I click on this link, the WhatsApp profile picture immediately shows up. But let me add something little to this. Okay. Okay, so let's see what I added to this link. Hi, sorry for being in your DM. I got your contact from the Fancy affiliate page. I can see you someone with value and I would love to connect with you. Save my name as the Fancy and tell me yours. Cheers. Then you send. So this is the link, the message that you will be adding to the link, and then you will be sending it to contacts on your page. Okay, so you could see that I've sent it. So the moment the person sees it, the person will just click on this link, and then it will do what? Send them your message, the first one that we sent. Okay, the first one. So once the person sends you, you send the person this message, the person will automatically respond with his or her name, and then you will just go ahead and you do what? You save it, as you also give your name to the person. So this is one step. Now, when you are using the WhatsApp business, I'm talking about this, the WhatsApp business app, it automatically has a link session. Okay, it has the link session already. So let's see how we can get that link too. Okay, so let's go to the WhatsApp business. So once you open the business like this, um, you could see this is a WhatsApp business, so it's built in such a way that it already has those features. The first one that I did was those using the normal WhatsApp. Okay, those using the normal WhatsApp. So once you you open your WhatsApp business, you just click on the three dots at the right hand top corner there, and then you will see business tools. Okay, so you click on the business tools. Now, once you come here, you have your profile and all those things. Later on, we will be talking about some of the features here. But first, you see this at the top there, where the business tools is still there, there is another three dots at the right hand corner top. Just click on it again, and you see statistics at the top, and then at the bottom end is short link. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, you will see that there is a link at the top there. Now, when you come to the bottom here, you will see a pen tool, as you can see here. For a starter like you won't see information there. So you just click on the pen tool, and then you enter whatever that you want to the person who is going to click on the link to have. Okay, so you just type whatever information that you have here. As you've seen, wow, thanks so much for hitting me up. I'm a Follow Friends Junior, CEO of the Fancy Enterprise. Just tell me how to serve you. Then with the thanks. Once you are done, you click on the OK, and then you copy the link. Okay, you click on the link, and then it will be copied. So you go back, and then just as how we send it earlier, you can also do what? Send it across. It's the same thing. So I'm going to add that same information, and then but this time around I'm going to delete this link. They all serve as the same phone number. Okay, so and then I sent. Okay, so as you have seen, this is for those with what? So if it's in this group that I want to share it, I'll just come back into the specific group that I want to share it with, and then I'll do what? I'll post it. That's all. So anybody that have access to this link, the moment the person clicks on it, it will automatically take the person into your DM, and then you will begin to share contacts. Once the person drops once the person once the person drops his or her name, you also drop yours. You have already told the person yours. Show the person wherever that you got their contact from, that is from the specific group that you find yourself, and then you'll be able to communicate with the person directly. Okay, so now let's look at something. I'm going to do something now. From here, we are also going to look at how to send the message in bulk, the WhatsApp message in bulk. And with that, we are going to make good use of the app, the WhatsApp 2, the WhatsApp 2. Okay, so in the next tutorials, we are going to talk about how to send the message in bulk. That is, if you already have contacts that you would love to send message to in bulk. So this brings us to the end of this. By the way, before we do that, we have to save the contacts. So we have first gotten the contacts, the groups that we find ourselves. We shared our link in there. We contact them one by one. But this time around, we are not going to contact them one by one. But we are going to also make good use of the other tools available for us. And at the end of the day, we are coming back onto this WhatsApp tool. And then we'll be sending the message to them in bulk. So what are the tools that I'm talking about? The tools that I'm talking about that we are going to use is the text scanner, the contacts, the text scanner, the contacts, the notepad, and then the text to what? VCF tools. Those 4 tools are the ones that we are going to use to do what? To send the messages that we needed. So thank you once again. In case you are meeting me for the first time, I'm in the person of Afolaho Francis Jr., CEO of the Fancy Enterprise. We are into running of so many services. We are into running of so many services that you can reach us on. You can also subscribe to our channel so that the moment we drop a link or a new video, you'll be able to have access to it. We're into importation, shipping and logistics, entrepreneurship skills training, and so much more. Okay, thank you so much.